Does improving accessibility help with voice search optimization or AI-driven search results? Yes, accessibility and modern search optimization are deeply connected. Think about how AI agents crawl and parse data. To understand your content, an AI needs to know exactly what is on the page. That is what proper tags, alt text, and semantic structure are for. When a page is formatted accessibly, it becomes infinitely more readable for AI agents. The same logic applies to voice search. Different assistive technologies have different ways of navigating. Just like a screen reader, many voice search programs allow users to navigate specifically by heading. Instead of searching through every line of text, a user can simply say, "Show me the headings for this page," to get a quick overview of the content. By using proper heading structures, you're not just helping users with disabilities, you're speeding up the experience for everyone using voice-activated tech. Proper accessibility is the foundation for SEO, AI, and the future of search. Accessible Web. Web accessibility made simple. Explore our platform, services, and education offerings.